Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make rice and sago pudding. So let's get started.
I've got here 2 cups of milk, 5 tablespoons of sugar. You can add sugar according to your taste. 4 cardamom pods which I have roughly crushed. 2 tablespoons of sultanas. This is optional. If you do not eat sultanas then you can omit this. 2 teaspoons of melted ghee. 2 tablespoons of sago. 4 tablespoons of water. Half cup of rice. I'm using medium grain rice but you can use any rice of your choice, and 2.5 cups of water. Take 4 tablespoons of water, add it to the sago and let it soak. Rinse the rice 3 times and soak it in some water for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, drain the water from the rice and get it ready. To make the rice pudding, place a pot on medium heat, add rice, sago and water and cook it for 10 minutes, stirring it once or twice. After 10 minutes, add milk and give it a mix. Add sugar, crushed cardamom, sultanas and ghee. Give it a mix and cook it for 8 minutes or until 20% of the milk is left, stirring it frequently. As it cools down, the rice and sago will absorb more liquid. Turn the heat off and it is ready to serve. My easy rice and sago pudding is ready and you can make it and serve it warm or cold. Leftover pudding can be stored in the fridge for up to 5 days. You can always add extra milk before warming it if the pudding becomes thick. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy recipes, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.